Mr.Beast is a name you've probably heard often if you're familiar with YouTube. He has over 17 billion views on his channel and is one of the most well-known and contentious figures in the YouTube community. But what makes Mr.Beast so prominent and why are his videos so popular? So our video for today is about the insane road to Mr.Beast, his YouTube success. Hello guys and welcome back to another episode of Explained. As many creators build audiences one video at a time by filming their daily lives in the hopes of gradually gaining enough subscribers to turn it into a career, YouTube has long been a central hub for the homegrown content, specializing in everything from fashion hauls to gaming videos. Numerous popular YouTubers developed into online micro-celebrities throughout the 2010s, gaining millions of followers while largely avoiding the spotlight and continuing to lead relatively regular lives. PewDiePie, a stage name for Felix Schellberg, epitomized this online era. He achieved the title of most subscribed YouTuber in the world in 2013 thanks to his gaming and vlogging videos. However, everything changed when Mr.Beast entered the picture. If you haven't already, kindly subscribe to the channel before we start. If you like this video, then please click the thumbs up button, and to get alerts about upcoming videos, enable the bell icon. On May 7th, 1998, the state of Kansas witnessed the birth of Jimmy Donaldson. He spent most of his childhood in Greenville, North Carolina, alongside his older brother Charles C.J. Donaldson. Donaldson completed his secondary education at the nearby private school Greenville Christian Academy in 2016. Before quitting, he briefly attended East Carolina University. As of November 2022, Donaldson's brother CJ these days, a YouTuber who goes by that name, had more than 4.29 million subscribers. At 13, Donaldson posted his first video to YouTube under the username Mr.Beast6000. His early videos included Let's Plays, videos estimating the wealth of other YouTubers, advice to up-and-coming creators, and commentary drama on the platform. Donaldson only occasionally made an appearance in these videos. Donaldson's Worst Intros on YouTube series, which makes fun of YouTube video introductions, gained popularity in 2015 and 2016. Donaldson had about 30,000 subscribers by the middle of 2016. To pursue a full-time career as a YouTuber, Donaldson left East Carolina University in the fall of 2016. This did not go over well with his mother, who ordered him to leave the house. As his channel gained popularity, Donaldson enlisted the help of 4 childhood friends, Chris Tyson, Chandler Hallow, Garrett Ronalds, and Jake Franklin. They then connected with many YouTubers to learn more about their popular videos and forecast the platform's recommendation algorithm. Franklin left the crew in 2020, and Carl Jacobs, who had previously worked as a cameraman, was then promoted to fill his position. Donaldson published a nearly one-day-long video of himself counting to 100,000 in January of 2017. He worked on the stunt for 40 hours, speeding up some sections to keep it under 24 hours. During this time, Donaldson also became well known for his actions, which included an unsuccessful attempt to spin a fidget spinner for a day, stay underwater for 24 hours, watch paint dry for an hour, and break glass using 100 megaphones. Donaldson was then dubbed YouTube's biggest philanthropist in 2018 after donating $1 million through his outrageous stunts. Donaldson purchased billboards and numerous television and radio advertisements to help PewDiePie surpass T-Series in the competition to have the most subscribers on YouTube between the two channels in 2018. He purchased several seats for the Super Bowl for himself and his team, whose shirts read "Sub to PewDiePie." In March of 2019, Donaldson worked with Apex Legends to plan and film a real-world battle royale competition in Los Angeles for a $200,000 prize, where 2 games were played with game earnings of $100,000 for each game. Electronic Arts, the company behind Apex Legends, sponsored the competition and its prize fund. Donaldson was charged with using fake money in his November 23, 2019 video, "I opened a free bank." He later clarified that he used counterfeit money to allay participant safety concerns and that the participants received actual checks after the shoot. Reports suggest that the 24-year-old spent upwards of $300,000 on the production of a single video. This figure used to be close to up to $10,000 once upon a time. Please subscribe to our channel Explained if you still need to, and do give this video a big thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far. Turn on the bell icon to receive notifications about upcoming videos. With 32 influencers competing for a $250,000 grand prize in April of 2020, Donaldson's Rock, Paper, Scissors competition stream became YouTube's most watched live original event, drawing 662,000 concurrent viewers. Nate Shot ultimately prevailed in the competition. Donaldson held a second influencer competition in October of 2020 with 24 participants. The D'Amelio family ultimately won the tournament, which raised controversy because it was alleged that they had engaged in cheating. Donaldson published the video YouTube Rewind 2020 Thank God It's Over on January 1st of 2021. According to Donaldson's explanation in the video, he called hundreds of YouTubers because he had always felt that YouTubers should get more to say in Rewind. After the video, Donaldson thanks PewDiePie and credits him with being the source of inspiration for Donaldson's Rewind. A month later, Mr.Beast and Jelly Smack agreed to share content on Facebook and Snapchat. Mr.Beast uploaded a recreation of the Squid Game, a streaming survival TV drama series, in November of 2021. In this version, 456 participants competed for a $456,000 cash prize without the show's violence. As of December 24, 2022, the video had received over 325 million views, making it both one of the most watched YouTube videos of 2021 and Mr.Beast's most watched YouTube video in general. The anti-capitalist message of Squid Game was badly misunderstood, according to a Vice review of the video. Mr.Beast organized a third influencer competition in December of 2021 with 15 participants and a $1 million top prize. According to Forbes, Mr.Beast earned an estimated $54 million in 2021, making him the highest paid creator on YouTube as of January 2022. According to Forbes, if he had earned the same amount of money in 2020 as Vin Diesel and Lewis Hamilton, he would have been ranked 40th in the Forbes Celebrity 100 for 2021. On July 28, 2022, Mr.Beast reached the milestone of 100 million subscribers on his primary channel, making him the second YouTuber and fifth channel to do so. With 112,193,139 subscribers, Donaldson's Mr.Beast channel set the Guinness World Record for most subscribers by an individual male on YouTube on November 17, 2022. Regarding his subscribers, Mr.Beast is renowned for his generosity, frequently giving away enormous sums of money or once-in-a-lifetime opportunities to unlucky fans. This has contributed to his rapid platform growth. In the last 30 days, he added just 6 million subscribers, a remarkable 200% increase. Through his charitable organization Mr.Beast Philanthropy, which has dedicated YouTube channel with over 10 million subscribers, he frequently organizes charitable giveaways and donations. Donaldson has gained notoriety in recent years by engaging in various philanthropic activities in his videos. His first charitable deed was revealed in a sponsored video. As part of the sponsorship agreement with the business Quid, he received $10,000. In the video, Mr.Beast gives a homeless man he met at an intersection the entire amount he received from the deal. Mr.Beast realized then that giving to charities was something he enjoyed doing and that it made him feel good. Mr.Beast continued to give away money as more and more sponsorships came in, sometimes to Twitch streamers, his friends and family, and even his subscribers and followers. His methods of giving away items range from hard cash to possessions like homes, cars, laptops, tablets, and other things. He was able to keep his audience interested in his videos thanks to these variations. Aside from the apparent high he got from his giveaways, Donaldson also noticed that he got more audience interaction the more extravagant and expensive his giveaway was and the higher value it was. As a result, Donaldson was constantly looking for ways to increase the size of his giveaways. By the year's end, Mr.Beast had donated more than $1 million. And that concludes today's video. Please submit your thoughts down in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching and for your continued support. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more videos. Also refer to other videos on our channel for more content, and we'll see you in the next video.